Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.